Relax, motherfucker. Real rap, I used to have dreams of that Q45, not the two-door. Hating ass niggas, this is way before I knew y'all. Bitch niggas RuPaul, 38 screw off. Lewis Park legend where a nigga learned to shoot ball. All alone, still I kept a G, they knocked my crew off. Work for you please, man, who done made you boss? Mom's plate chopping, she was missing hella dishes. Always wonder why the coffee pot up out the kitchen. Ain't no biggie, kept it semi with a story to tell. Hand in hand, they making up they bed, it's more than a sale. I'm just a call away, my nigga, I'm a Taylor, you know. We getting money, if you say it's green, you know I'ma go.
That's why they hating on me,
cause I did it on my own.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause I grinded, now I'm shining.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause that money stay on my mind.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause I grinded, now I'm shining. It's my time.
Man, I had to wake up and get it myself. Get my own connect and have my own heat on my belt. So fucking handout, I knew to go get it myself. Now them same ones who was hating wanna give me help, I just tell them I'm cool. Matter of fact, I don't rap. Not for you niggas who ain't helped me get where I'm at. I'm just keeping it real, let you tell it I'm fake. Cause I be running for that money, you ain't in a race. Yeah, this ballin' is necessary, my nigga, I can't lie. You suckers be hitchhiking labels looking for rads. Let me tell you something, that's what everything aside. I had them niggas at your door about this Taylor gang or
that's why
dad.
they
What's up?
hating on me,
Cause I did it on my own.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause I grinded, now I'm shining.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause that money stay on my mind.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause I grinded, now I'm shining. It's my timing.